In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to filter out cuss words in Clipchamp Captions so your videos stay clean, professional, and platform-friendly. If you're creating content for YouTube, online courses, business presentations, or even client work, having profanity automatically filtered from your captions can save you a lot of time and protect your brand. The best part is that Clipchamp has a built-in setting that makes this incredibly easy. I'll walk you through it step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to the video project of your choice. This can be any project where you want to generate captions with filtered language. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your video is already uploaded to the timeline. If it's not, simply drag and drop your media into the timeline so Clipchamp can process the audio for captions. Now look above the preview window. You'll see the Auto Captions button. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows Clipchamp to automatically generate subtitles based on the spoken audio in your video. After clicking it, a settings panel will appear where you can choose your language and adjust caption options. Here's the important step. In the Auto Caption settings panel, you'll see a checkbox labeled Filter Profanity. This is exactly what we need. When you enable this option, Clipchamp will automatically detect and censor cuss words in your captions. Instead of displaying the full profanity, it will replace those words with asterisks, keeping your captions clean without you having to manually edit each one. Go ahead and click the Filter Profanity checkbox to turn it on. This ensures that any offensive language detected in the audio will be filtered out during the caption generation process. This is especially useful if you're working with interviews, podcasts, gaming content, or live recordings where you may not have full control over what was said. After selecting the profanity filter option, the next step is to click Confirm Settings. Once you click Confirm, Clipchamp will begin generating your captions automatically. Depending on the length of your video, this may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. The software will scan the audio, create subtitles, and apply the profanity filter at the same time. When the captions appear on your timeline, you can scroll through them to review the results. You'll notice that any detected cuss words have been replaced with censored versions. If you ever need to manually adjust wording, timing, or formatting, you can still click into individual caption segments and edit them. The filter simply saves you from having to hunt down inappropriate words yourself. Using the profanity filter is a smart move if you're trying to keep your content monetization-friendly on YouTube or suitable for workplace and school environments. It also makes your editing workflow faster and more efficient because you don't need to rewatch the entire video just to clean up captions manually. And that's it. That's how you filter out cuss words in Clipchamp Captions quickly and easily. Just open your project, click Auto Captions, enable the Filter Profanity checkbox, and confirm your settings. Clipchamp handles the rest for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp tutorials, editing tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.